So we're going to be looking at these Chouggo Martini glasses. I wanted to add to my bar, so I decided to get nicer martini glasses, and let's see how this looks like. So we're going to unbox it this way. Has this styrofoam cover, which is very nice. And opening this up, this is a set of 6 glasses. So I'm going to be careful here because the martini glasses are sticking to the styrofoam protector. I don't want to accidentally drop it. And wow, this is pretty nice. Little short martini glasses. So hosting a party with some mixed drinks. My wife, she likes to make espresso martinis, and this is definitely going to be a perfect addition to our bar set. So again, this is the Chouggo Martini glasses, and they are about 8 ounces. And the look, the feel is pretty nice. For under $30, I'd say this is pretty worth it. I'd probably recommend these.